Hi, today I show you how to create the instance and install it in Lumberyard on the AWS. So the first I show you how I create the VPC and EC2. As you can see, I have two VPC and I create this one with this IP address. After that, I create two subnets. As you can see, we have one address for the one public IP and second below. So after that, I also create the internet gateway and attach to my VPC. So the next, when you attach it, I'll go to routed tables and attach it subnet associates to my root tables. But when we want to connect to internet, we must associate these rules about destination address and select the target. This is our internet gateway. So after that, we go to EC2, and before we launch instance, we create security groups. Okay, my security groups, as you can see, I look around. This is my address IP. When I check here, okay, so my information. Okay, so this is my address IP. So I go back to my security groups. As you can see, I added the rule, edit, and port. I suggest use this port, RDP. Okay, so this is not connect. So after that, we also create elastic IP. So hit new address, allocate. As you can see, we have the new. And after that, we continue to launch instance. So click button, launch instance, and we use community AIM. So AWS Marketplace and hit this AMI. As you can see, I choose Microsoft Windows Server 2016 with NVIDIA Grid Driver. So select again. As you can see, we have graphics 16 extra large. Continue. And now, as you can see, we have blocked or instape instance. But when we select this GPU graphic, as you can see, we have installed this machine. So I select GPU graphic and hit next. After that, I use my VPC, my subnet network, and auto IC assign public IP enable. And you can choose shared run instances, but I use dedicated run dedicated instance. Okay, so I hit next. I choose 160 gigabytes, and I also second to my drive. Okay, I don't use when I delete the termination, so I click here. You don't. So next tags, click and hit this one. Okay, so you try and this one or Amica. Okay, so you can write any. So next configuration, I select our security groups and review launch. And I check is everything okay. So hit launch. Okay, I choose if you don't have create caper, you can create new paper or choose existing. I use the choose existing, hit and launch instance. Okay, so we wait 4 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, so our instances now is launching, so we can view instance. Okay, so now is initializing and pending. So we can also now go to Elastic IP, click right button and associate address and assign this IP address to my instances. So click associate and close. As you can see, we go back to instance and now we see our public IP. So we also connect and download remote desktop file. Okay, so we can save. Okay. And after that, I rename my new address IP. So I hit select, rename. This is my old, so I delete. And now we have a new address IP and my, as you can see, my key port. Okay, so now we must also get password to our instance. So I just get, but as you can see, we have not running machine, so we must wait 4 minutes after launching close. So I'll be right back when we launch. Okay, so now we check the status is okay. So hit connect, get the password, and we must add key browser. So I added this my key and decrypt password. Okay, so I hit here and I copy this password to my notebook. Okay, so now we connect to our instance, hit OK. Now I copy my password and OK. So now I click yes and OK. So now we run our Windows server. Okay, so in the next lesson, I show you how to install a property drivers and how to install Lumberyard.